Tourist guide. Guatapé, the best tourist destination. Guatapé is a beautiful town in Colombia, located in the eastern suburbia of the department Antioquia, known as El Pueblo de los Zócalos. The variety of activities to do suggests you can tour the official lakes, which is one of its most beautiful landscapes. You can tour the estuary of the Saques, as well as other activities. Typical foods. The big gastronomic variety, but the typical dish of this place is bandeja paisa. Cost. The cost of the tour package is $300. It will include round-trip flights, lodging, transportation within the city, and a guide for the different activities.